Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be giving you plenty of cleaning motivation, and I know a lot of us out there need that right now because we're all in this funk right now. So come along and see what I get done. One of the first things I had on my agenda this morning was to wash my sheets. I had like this stomach bug that I could not get rid of, you guys. Was throwing up, super sick. I had a fever, so I was kind of in the bed for quite a few days. I haven't had time to do anything at all, but one of the things I did want to do was wash my sheets. So comment down below. I want to ask you guys, how are you guys feeling? How are you hanging in there? I'm hanging in there. The only issue I have is not getting some sunlight because I was homesick for a few days, but going out for walks, I do not talk to anybody. We just go out for a walk and then get back home or whatever, or let my kids play with bubbles and chalk and things like that. But I will be okay, but I'm actually enjoying having them home. It's time to dust my bedroom. It was super dusty here. It was bothering me just looking at the dust build up. But now that it's spring and the pollen season, it gets super dusty. And I don't know about y'all. I know it can be the only one that sleeps with a fan on every single night. I have to sleep with the fan on. Like, the air has to be circulating. I have to hear the sound. It's kind of like white noise, but it helps me sleep. And I have to have my fan on. So now that the kids are home, I have to pretty much clean the house by sections. I just don't have the time anymore to do a whole house clean with me right now with the kids at home. First, we start off with their schoolwork, and sometimes that takes time. The boys can pretty much do their own schoolwork. They really don't need me, honestly, unless they need my help to connect them so they can video chat their teachers. But my daughter's the one that normally needs help, and then she's starting to be able to do it on her own without me helping her. But still, with the kids at home, kind of my schedule kind of changed. There's no way I could clean the house the entire day because I'm half the time I feel like I'm in the kitchen, y'all. Like, I'm in the kitchen for breakfast. I clean up after breakfast. I'm in the kitchen for lunch. Then I clean up after lunch, and then I make dinner and I clean up after dinner. So half my time is in the kitchen, it seems. I know I can't be the only one. So I have to clean the house by section. So you guys will start seeing my cleaning videos. Like, I just do a few rooms at a time.
wanna get it right with you, but if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just...
One of the things that save me every time is when I film my cleaning videos, I always film a week before for the next week. So like that, I'm covered just in case anything happens. I don't have to worry about the next week. For example, when I told you guys that I got sick, I really didn't have to worry about my videos uploading this week because once I film them, I schedule them out and then I don't have to worry about it. So that's what helps. And I just want to let you guys know that you all motivate me. You guys say that I motivate you, and I'm thankful for that. But you also motivate me as well, because I know I have to make sure that I film for you guys. So that keeps me going with cleaning my house, because I have my lazy moments too, where I just want to binge watch some Netflix, some movies, and order some takeout, and that's it. I don't want to do anything. Believe me, you guys, it may seem like I got it all together, and I actually don't. But knowing that I have to upload some videos for you guys, that keeps me going, and it keeps me on top of my game.
But for now, I just read it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just read it and delete it. Oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point
So while my daughter was doing her schoolwork, I just came in here to straighten up my pillows. I just do not like how they just disrespect my pillows and just throw it on the floor like it don't mean nothing. Getting ready to put the breakfast dishes in the dishwasher, and I'm gonna give this kitchen a little bit more tender loving care, because while I was sick, we were just getting by. The cleaning wasn't great, okay? So I'm just gonna give it my type of cleaning. So I kind of want to give you guys a little story time. See, I'm more talkative in this video because I've been away from adults for quite some time now, y'all. I need some adult interaction, so I love when you guys leave me comments. So when I was like 12, 13, I was spending my summers in Dominican Republic. I was spending it with my family, and those were the best time of my life. By that time, I would consider myself a great cleaner. I used to clean. I was cleaning when I was 5 years old. So I go to DR. I'm thinking I'm the biggest thing ever. Like, can't nobody tell me nothing. I show up to my grandma's house. She said, Fridays, we do chores here. If you want your weekends free with no chores, we do the chores on Friday. I said, sure. So my grandma had a lady that would come every Friday to help her clean the house, because my grandma is an older lady. And when this lady, I was ready to clean, but I'm thinking this lady was going to come to the house to clean around 9 o'clock in the morning. She was there at 5 a.m. and she woke me up to let me know she was getting ready to start cleaning. What did I want to help? Y'all. It was definitely a shocker, okay? I didn't know what was going on. So I helped her start cleaning or whatever. And she wanted me to gather the sheets. The laundry, was getting ready to gather the laundry first, get that started. My grandma only had like a small washer, and then she had like a rinser. It's like the spin cycle. It's like a machine that only does the spin cycle, and then you hang the clothes, the sheets and stuff to dry outside. So that's what we were doing. And then we would take all the curtains down every Friday, wash those, and then we would move the furniture and cover it with plastic. Why, do you ask? I'm thinking Rosita's getting ready to mop the floors. Oh no, she's getting ready to splash the walls down with water. And I don't know what kind of cleaning solution she used in there, but that's what she did every Friday to take away all the cobwebs and dust to make the house feel fresh, which I thought was insane. But you know, the walls there are made out of concrete. It's not like the walls here that you have to worry about messing up the paint. It's really not like that. But I was shocked because there's no AC. So the windows is always open. There's always fan blowing. So it gets super dusty. So every Friday we had to splash the walls down, mop, everything scrub. I thought I knew how to clean, but I did not know how to clean. They looked at me crazy when I said I finished too early.
In this moment, yes, I cannot say what's wrong or right. No, it's not hard to fool me. No, 'cause I'm addicted to the good life. Yes, yeah. Lead the way, I follow. No need to say where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all, to the edge of it all. So tell your good lies, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Yeah, susceptible now before the moment flies. Ooh, so tell your good lies, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Ooh, susceptible now before the moment flies. It's not a problem, no, 'cause I know what I'm getting into. Yes, yeah, and nothing can stop me. No, 'cause I'm addicted to what you and I realize. Lead the way, I follow. No need to say where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all. So tell your good lies, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Yeah, susceptible now before the moment flies, before it flies. So tell your good lies, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Susceptible now before the moment flies. Yeah, yeah. Ever since we met last night, I've been trying to keep my distance. I just wanna play my cards right. It takes one false move and you'll be gone. But maybe it's alright. I can't tell if it's the right moment, but baby, anyhow, I can't hold it in anymore. 'Cause it's starting to come out, starting to come out. I've been holding it in for too long, yeah, it's starting to come out, starting to come out.
So this is where I normally keep a lot of my kids' school papers that I get from their book bag. So I decided to clean it out. The stuff that I ended up putting back is the stuff that I have to take upstairs. And then what I took out is what's getting ready to go in the trash.
Special, yeah, but there is something in your eyes. Ooh, one false move and you'll be gone.
I'm putting the chairs up so like that you guys get to meet my new little toy.
Tomorrow, yeah. Oh, if I could.
So I wanted to show you my new little toy. The company reached out to me to see if I wanted one. It's a Robot B7S robot vacuum cleaner. It has super strong suction, ultra quiet, self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner. It's ideal for pet hair, hardwood floors, and even carpets. My kids have officially named it. Y'all ready for this one? Boom Shakalaka. Yes, that's the name they picked for this vacuum. The boys were excited because they thought the robot vacuum took their sweeping job away. But oh no, I just gave them an even bigger job, and that was to vacuum the entire upstairs instead. I will leave the link to this robot vacuum down in the description box just in case you guys want to try it, but I love it. It picks up all of the trash, y'all.
Baby, don't cry. Oh, I wanna be with you every second of my life. I know your world is hollow. Yeah. 'Cause I can see it in your eyes. Oh, yeah. But there is no need.
Now that the floor has been swept, it's time for me to mop. I did not want to take out my mop bucket, y'all. I was getting tired by this point because I feel like I have not fully recovered all of the way, but I just wanted to get some cleaning done. So instead I took out my Bizzle mop so that it'll be a lot easier. But with the kids being at home, the floor gets so much dirtier. It's like something drops on the floor almost every day. There's something sticky on there, something I don't understand, and half the time no one knows who dropped what.
I wanna be with you every second I got. Ooh, I got. Gonna make it alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Even if you're down under the ocean floor, yeah, I'm gonna make it alright. Ooh, baby, don't cry. Don't cry. 'Cause there's always tomorrow.
But y'all guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because that helps my channel a ton when you guys do that. Also subscribe if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.